Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So today our concentration will be on the next four words, that is talk, told, top, true. So let's come to the first word, talk. Talk show, talk over, talk back, talk about, talk with, to talk. Treat others like you want to be treated. Talk to others like you want to be talked to. So if you want respect, treat other people with respect. What are you talking about? We are talking about how to talk to others and how to treat others. Can we have a talk, Om? Yeah, sure, we need to talk. I'm ready to talk. I am happy. Students, stop talking. Who's talking there? May I talk to you now? Shall we talk tomorrow? Okay, as you wish. The second word is told. T-O-L-D, told. Told the truth. Told a story. We told you so. It's a story told from generation to generation. The underwater city found in Dwaraka told a story of our ancient civilization. My mother always told me she loved me. I told Prithvi I needed quick advice on how to audition. Tim told a joke and Tom told a fairy tale. The third word is top, T-O-P, top. On top, top up, top with, top secret, top soil, top of the hill, mountain top. I would like a cheese pizza. Please top it with olives, peppers and corn. The top of the mountain gives us a nice view of the city. Sara and Tara are wearing matching tops. Tara is the top student of her class. The helicopter landed on top of the building. Bob rose to the top of the company quickly. That means he got good promotions and he became the managing director. Put the top back on the toothpaste. Exercising is at the top of my to-do list. The fourth word is true. T-R-U-E, true. True or false? True friend. True love. A true friend will stand with you when you need help. The rumors are not at all true. Don't believe in those rumors. The story is partially true. Dreams come true. The day will surely come when your dreams will come true. The true secret of writing a good letter is to write as if you were talking. True friends must trust each other. So with this we come to the end of our day's video. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Be happy always.